Process safety incident, Dow in Plaquemine, Louisiana. It was a fire and explosion in their glycol 2 unit. Fortunately, no injuries. The CSB is investigating, and the CSB stated that their areas of focus are emergency release system scenarios, reactive chemical hazards, reactive material emergency pressure relief systems design, all of which fit nicely with our skill set, and also maintenance procedures and practices and Dow's own corporate standards. Dow did publish what they found to be the immediate cause. So within the glycol 2 unit, they had a turnaround a couple of months before the incident in May of 2023, and some portable lights were left inside a vessel. And those portable lights degraded over time and formed debris which flowed through the piping and equipment, and that debris ultimately resulted in ethylene oxide igniting inside the piping, and that explosion of ethylene oxide resulted in a loss of containment because of overpressure, and that loss of containment resulted in the fireball you see in the photo there. Worth being aware of the incident and the causes associated with it.